and select if you accept or decline the application of Dr. Plato D. Lessons. March 15th, 1826. My name is Dr. Plato T. Lessons. No doubt you have heard about me. I am a doctor, scholar, philosopher, inventor, and a man of the world. You, you may have heard about my magical elixir, Dr. Lessons' Wonder Oil of the Orient. I can cure everything from a toothache to loss of hair, and it only costs 4 bits a bottle. Cheap at twice the price. Sir, in the far land of Texas, you will have need of my services. With enough of my elixir, your colony will be shining, pure of health. Believe me, if you are interested in the health of your people, you won't leave me behind. All that I ask is a grant of land in Texas. By the way, I might have also need to borrow a few $100s to make more elixir, pay a few gambling debts, and pay a few fines to the county sheriff. Dr. Plano T. Lessons. Accept or decline? Why did you accept or decline Dr. Plano's lesson? Make sure you give me at least 2 to 3 sentences on why you accept or declined his application.